They look like they've got it all. Sharp jawline, broad shoulders, ripped abs. But here's the truth no one wants to say out loud. Attractive men fail too. Not because they're weak, not because they're lazy, but because they've been lied to. They were told motivation was enough, that drive and energy would carry them. But motivation, it's a sugar rush, sweet, addictive, and gone in minutes. You felt it, that fire after watching a motivational video. You hit the gym like a warrior, for a week, maybe two. Then life punches you in the face. Bad sleep, long day. You say, I'll go tomorrow, but tomorrow never comes. Motivation fails you because it depends on your mood, and moods are liars. Some days you're pumped, other days you're drowning in doubt, and that's where most men lose. The truth? The ones who stay ripped year-round, they don't wake up inspired every day. They don't scroll for motivation. They have systems. Systems don't care if you're tired. Systems don't ask if you feel like it. They run on autopilot. You show up because it's the plan. No debate, no emotion, just execution. The first system, the 5-second rule. You feel hesitation? Count backwards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Move. No thinking, no excuses, just action. It has your brain before doubt kicks in. Because the hardest rep isn't the last one, it's the first. But what if starting still feels impossible? Then shrink the mountain. Commit to just 5 minutes. Not an hour, not a full session. 5. Simple. Minutes. Because once you begin, your brain needs to finish. That's the Zeigarnik effect. The tension of an unfinished task pulls you in. Start small and watch it snowball. That's how the greats do it. Not with motivation, but with momentum. Systems that bypass feelings and build consistency. Brick by brick, rep by rep. Attractive men fail when they rely on hype, but legends rise when they rely on habits. Discipline isn't loud, it's quiet, relentless, automatic. So next time your brain says, not today, you reply, 5 seconds. Then you move. Then you start. Then you win. Because motivation is a wave. It crashes, it fades. But systems are the engine that never stops. Build the system, follow the system, become the system. That's how attractive men stop starting over and start becoming unstoppable. Subscribe and always remember, progress over perfection. Just keep moving forward.